Hey man, have you ever heard of the fish attacks? Because it's really scary and it's spreading over the news.
No, man, I have never heard of it. Why do you ask me?
It's really scary, man. I hope I have never found...
Is that a bird?
What a big bird.
Holy ocean.
We will kill you.
What a nice day, having a cup of coffee and a nice cake and lastly a carton of tea.
Stupid.
Die evil bird.
You killed me, friend.
I hate you, evil bird.
You killed my soldiers.